Drinking water upside down can stop hiccups faster than any other method. Ever wondered why? It's all about tricking your diaphragm into resetting itself. When you sip water upside down, the unusual position forces your diaphragm to focus on swallowing rather than spasming, effectively interrupting the hiccup cycle. This quirky hack taps into a natural reflex, shifting your body's attention and soothing those pesky spasms. The next time you're stuck in a hiccup loop, grab a glass of water, bend forward, and try this upside-down trick. It's a simple, yet surprisingly effective solution that plays on your body's own mechanics, offering relief when traditional methods fail. Give it a shot and watch those hiccups vanish.